Hello my darlings, welcome back to my channel SonaMeraki. My name is Sonam and in this video we will unbox and review the Jewellery Grabox March 2019 edition. It's priced at Rs 499 including shipping. So without any further ado, let's start unboxing. Did you subscribe? Did you subscribe? Bell icon. Press the bell icon. That's how the box reached me as always. This is how the grab box looks like. On the back side they have all their social media handles and website address as well. Once we open, we have this card that says March Jewel Grabox, and this has all the products inside it. So let me start with the necklace this time. This is how it looks. Definitely a statement piece. It's an oxidized silver with these multicolor stones. So you can wear this with most of your ethnic outfits and even Indo-Western outfits. This will look really nice and trendy. And the length is adjustable. So you can wear it as a choker or as a long necklace. I usually don't wear a lot of heavy jewelry and chunky jewelry like this, but it is a very nice boho kind of necklace for all those who like such pieces. Then next there is a oxidized silver earring which will go very well with the statement necklace piece we have got, but I would suggest always going simple and wearing one statement piece at a time. So either you can wear these or the statement piece not together. And as such, these will look great with most of your ethnic outfits again. Then there is another statement pair of ethnic earrings. I just love how intricate and how heavily studded the bottom part is. It is of course a simple mirror kind of earring, but this part is really nice and it looks very nice. So this is again something that I liked. As you can see, the length of both is slightly different for me. I'm not sure what is the reason, but when you wear it, it probably won't be visible since it will be far apart from each other, and this might be just a defect for me, not for everyone. And finally, the last ethnic earrings and my favorite piece of jewelry in the box. Out of all, I love this one so much. It's definitely my style. It has these kundan stones in orangish yellow color and rusted gold finish jhumki, not too huge, with pearl hangings. It's perfect for any suit, even saris. It looks really nice when you wear it, and I personally like such dangler earrings which are a little longer, and this is the perfect size that I love to wear. And this is a statement earring for me personally because I like to keep my jewelry simple. So this is really nice and I'm definitely gonna use this. Also, I would like to give an honest review. So this looks perfect from front, but on the back hand side it is slightly damaged. The pearls of one side are missing, so when you wear it, it might be visible, but I'm okay with it. I'll be wearing it occasionally, so I like them. But just to be honest, I told you that it is slightly damaged. Then going on to the modern earrings, we have these two hoop earrings, and these are like very thick golden hoops with some pattern on it, crisscross pattern on it. And this is the last one in blue color. Simple hoops, lightweight, and definitely looks classy. It goes very well with jeans and dresses and all, so I love these kind of earrings. This is all the jewelry we have got, but we have got one more product and I actually loved it, which is this cute hairband. It has this Mickey on it with this cute starfish button and this bow. It's in a mint green kind of color and I love it. The color and pattern might vary, but I love wearing such cute hairbands personally. I still wear them, and if you have kids, they love this, and I personally like this a lot. It's a very nice addition to the Jewellery Grab box. Definitely makes it more interesting and more value for money. I am very happy to receive this one. So that was all in my March edition of Jewel Grab box. We have got 2 modern earrings, 3 ethnic earrings, 1 piece of necklace, and this super cute hairband. Let's have a look at the pricing details. So these are the individual prices and the total worth is mentioned as 1600 rupees. I'm not very sure about the authenticity of the individual prices, like whether they are very justified or not. But to be honest, for 499, I think it is justified. You don't have to pay shipping additionally. It's with free shipping. You're getting a lot of pieces, and my favorites would be this earring and this headband. If you guys liked it and are interested in getting it, then all details are mentioned in the description box below, so make sure you check it out. I hope you liked today's video, and if you did, then please don't forget to give this video a like and some love in the comment section below. And if you haven't already, then please do subscribe to my channel. I would truly appreciate it. So that's all for today. I'll see you again next time. Till then, take care. Bye.